This is الدرس السابع والعشرون of كتاب أدوات الربط, lesson 27 of the connectors. And in this lesson, we are looking at تمرين واحد, or drill 1. And in this drill, you're looking at لا بد. لا بد means must. So here we have 3 ways in which you can connect لا بد to a sentence. So in this example here, we have blank يسافر علي or علي غدا. So Ali must travel tomorrow. Here we have to add an because لا بد needs to connect to a present tense verb. Here in number 2, we have السفر غدا. لا بد من السفر غدا. The travel is necessary or must be tomorrow. So here we need to connect with a min in order to connect to the noun, السفر. And then finally, here in the example, we have طالب مجتهد. لا بد أنه طالب مجتهد. He must be a, or he must be a hardworking student. We have to add أنه in order to connect it. So you're going to add various different particles to connect لا بد to the sentences that follow. I'm going to go through the English of the Arabic, the English translation of some of the Arabic, so that can facilitate you connecting لا بد to these sentences that follow. So in here we have number 1, blank دراسة الموضوع جيدا قبل عرضه على اللجنة. So blank the study of the topic well. So in other words, the topic must be studied well قبل عرضه, before it's being presented to the council. Number 2, blank يكافح الإنسان أو يكافح الإنسان في حياته حتى ينجح. يكافح is to struggle. So here we have a person must struggle in his life to succeed. 3, we have blank إنسان مكافح ولذلك نرى أنه نجح في حياته. So here we have he must be a person who struggles, and therefore we see that he has succeeded in his life. Number 4, blank للإنسان من أن يكافح في حياته. So it is necessary for a person to struggle in his life. Number 5, 5, blank الوضوء قبل الصلاة. Wudu or ablution is necessary before prayer. Number 6, 6, blank تصدر اللجنة قرارها في نهاية الاجتماع. So the council must produce its decision at the end of the meeting. Number 7, 7, blank رجل أعمال ناجح في حياته. He needs to be, or he must be a successful businessman in his life. 8, blank كنت مخطئا في حكمي على هذا الموضوع. I must have been mistaken in my judgment of this matter. Number 9, blank أنها كانت تعلم ذلك. It's necessary that she must have known that. She must have known that. Number 10, blank لهم من مال كاف للرحلة. They must have enough money for the trip. 11, 11, blank يطلعوه على خطتهم. They must have they must show him their plan. Number 12, blank إحضار شهادة ميلاده. إحضار is to bring, so it's necessary to bring his birth certificate. So hopefully that should help you answer these questions by filling in the blanks with لا بد. مع السلامة.